produce on the line. A startling revelation that pesticide residues could be causing serious health and environmental issues. Children at risk. Over 3,000 reports of sexual offenses against children since 2013. And the Western Regional Health Authority reports a 9% decline in births.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Coming up in the business news, Sagicor records massive increase in profits.
And in the big show, Jermaine Brown is here to tell us what's happening in Primetime Sports.
Thank you, Archibald. Well, I think you'll like this one. Shelley and Fraser Price. Well, she'll be in Doha on Friday. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
Yes, we do like that, Jeremy.
Love track and field, love it.
There is also weather coming up in this newscast, and with our working mic today is Romaine Robinson.
Thanks, Andrea. Now, we are expected to see much of the afternoon shower and isolated thunderstorm continue into the weekend. We're not going to expecting any significant drying in the weather patterns across the area until next week.
Yeah, I like to see the miming though, the miming last night. We should try that again. There's more in the weather report later on. There's also sports commentary at E-Prime. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking what can be done to increase the country's birth rate?
And you can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica. And you can post, as always, on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News continues right after this break.